Muhammad Rizky Fadilah, Class 2 Regular A. I am here to explain material about interaction 1. Upon the completion of the course, students are able to describe trends and describe benefits of video conference. Enterprise social media definition. In the short time in which they have been present in organizational context, social media seem to have been used in two primary ways. The first, and more commonly studied, way is for organizational communication with external parties, such as customers, vendors, and the public at large. For example, they maintain pages and popular public social networking sites like Facebook and MySpace, and they broadcast messages on microblogging sites such as Twitter. They employees also sometimes write blog posts on new websites, and occasionally they host social tagging sites. Communication on these sites is faced externally. A historical perspective on social media use in organization. The emergence of ESM has typically followed one of three primary paths into organizational context. Number one, use of public available sites like Facebook, Google+, and Twitter. Number two, private implementation of open source or proprietary software, either installed on a company's own server or acquired as a host or cloud-based software service. Number three, in-house proprietary solution, often built as prototypes by software vendors for later incorporation into commercial offerings. We elaborate on each of these paths below. Public sites. Although many organizations now routinely use publicly available social networking and microblogging sites for customer-facing innovation, marketing, and after-sales service purposes. In the year before popular sites allow business page employees often independently join and interact with coworkers on public social media. Private system. Primarily due to security concerns, a more common approach to implementing social media in the enterprise is through in-house implementation of applications that are not open to external audience. Enterprise social media. How do you communicate electronically with friends and family? I mostly communicate via chat and video call. Which types of communication do you think are better for? A. Communicating information and being friendly. Vocabulary. Match website 1, 2, 3. Two types. A. 2. I. There are two extra types. Can you give other examples of each type? Number 1. Dropbox. 2. File sharing service. Number 2. Facebook. Social networking blog. Number 3. Twitter. Internet forum microblogging system. Complete this glossary definition with the word in the box. Number 1. data compression. Number 2, dedicated system. Number 3, MCU, multi-point control unit. Number 4, remote control. Glossary of video conferencing terms. Number 1, dedicated system. A system this is used for only one purpose, is for video conferencing only, nothing else. Number 2, remote control. A device that can control the video conferencing system from a distance without worries. It can be passed from person to person easily. Number 3, MCU, multi-point control unit. A device that allows video conferencing system to use more than two locations. Number 4, data compression. A way to fit audio into a smaller space and use less bandwidth. Work in pairs. Number 1, student A. You are a general manager. You want a video conferencing system but want to save money. Number 2, student B. Try to persuade student A, your manager, to have one of the features in A. Then swap roles and repeat the activity. If they could use video conferencing facilities, how would their lives be different? Discuss use language from the box. Number 1, the deaf person. Answer: if the person is deaf, then can use video conference with sign language. Number 2, a child who lives a long way from any school. Answer: if he lives in a remote area, as long as there is a network, then can use video conferencing. Number 3, a doctor working in a small hospital a long way from a city. Answer: if the doctor doesn't have a chance to go home, then he can use video conference. Number 4, a company director who doesn't have time to visit her clients overseas. Answer: currently, large companies can use video conference facility. All from me. If there's anything wrong, please forgive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.